How to organize iPhone home screen. To get started, first of all go to your iPhone home screen. Over here, long press on any empty area of the home screen until the icons start to wiggle and a minus sign appears on each app icon. You can now hold and move the apps and place it anywhere you like on your home screen. You can change their positions along with the pages that they're on. You can also group them together into one folder if you want. For example, Utilities. As you can see, you can also change the folder name from here. If you want to remove any app from here, then tap on the minus icon over that app. And then, tap on Remove from Home Screen. After that, tap on Done at the top right. Following these steps, you can easily organize iPhone home screen. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.